Guaxuma House by Angeli.Leão in Guaxuma, Brazil. Located on Guaxuma Beach, just 20 minutes from the urban center of Maceió, the project is situated in a sparsely populated residential area, characterized by a hot and humid tropical climate, where the land still preserves the native coastal vegetation. Near the land, with an extension of 500 m, there is a minimally urbanized waterfront with some beach bars. This beach environment inspired the adopted architectural approach, which transformed this first home project into an experience with the atmosphere of a seaside vacation home. The use of a palette of non-industrialized components, such as wood, hydraulic tiles, exposed concrete, and granite, aimed to enhance the natural aspects of the materials in the proposal. In addition, the building was designed to take full advantage of the bioclimatic characteristics of the location, resulting in a well-ventilated, shaded, and light-filled interior space, providing an authentic environment with great comfort. The furniture selection includes solid Sucupira wood pieces, carefully designed by the office and executed by Master Milla in Alagoas, as well as the inclusion of natural stone coffee and dining tables. In addition, classic furniture pieces were adopted, as well as creations by local and northeastern artisans and contemporary artists. The mixture of all these elements resulted in a personalized and original project that reflects the authenticity and beauty of the region.